PuniPuni donut tutorial. Make sure to cover your mold with a thin layer of Vaseline before pouring the squishy gel to prevent the softer silicone from fusing to the mold. For individual details, use a toothpick or dotting tool to fill with just a little bit of the gel, and let cure at least halfway, 3 hours. Layer on the next colors immediately for an ombre effect, and after the first layers have cured for a clear division of color. Top up the rest of the mold with your solid color and cure completely. When completely cured, demold by slowly rolling the edges inwards. Add your squishies to our included keychain baggies to squish mess free.